$8,002.26. That's what I made promoting just one single product, and that is in this case here, Super Affiliate Sniper System. So this is a training, right? This is a training that teaches you Google Ads, Microsoft Ads, how to run these sorts of ads and make affiliate commissions. Very simple. Okay, so I promoted this and made freaking $8,000, right? So what did I do? Just 3 simple steps. And I'm going to reveal everything in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Okay, it's not a rocket science, don't worry, anyone can do it. All right, so the step number one is document. Okay, it is very important to document whatever that you are doing currently online, whether it's a fail or not, right? Just document it. So I purchased this product and then I decided to document whatever that I'm doing with this product. Like I was following this product and doing things step by step, creating new campaigns step by step. I just decided to document this without giving it all away, just for me to track things away, right, on this Google Doc right here. Okay, very simple. So as you can see, I started documenting it with all the stats like my ad budget, my spendings, my learnings and things like that. All the screenshots are here, right? And as you can see, again, the product was a huge success for me. I mean, it still is. I'm still doing very well with it. But anyways, this video is not about Super Affiliate Sniper or the ads. Okay, so this video is about how I made this much amount of money. Okay, so once I started documenting this, right, I did step number 2, and that is share it. How? I created a YouTube video on it, right? So if I go below here, so this is the first video that I made, about this program that I'm currently following and the results. Okay, so I made, like, if you can see, I made like $435, at the beginning when I started this. It has about 4,300 views as of now. So what did I do? I was simply documenting, my campaign, my stats on this video. And in the description, I shared this Google Doc right here, right on this video's descriptions, so that people can go and take a look at it, right? Whatever that was on the doc, I just created a video about it. I showed all the results in this particular video, right? And after that, I created few short videos regarding that, right? These are all the short videos about Bing ads, ClickBank, all the money made, and you can see I was getting a lot of views, right? I was simply redirecting this traffic to the main video, right? This video right here, and then I made another lengthy video, an update video where I actually crossed $11,000 just with Bing ads, Microsoft ads, using this Super Affiliate Sniper strategy, right? These are result oriented videos that I did. Nothing really rocket science. About 6,600 views as of now, and a lot of comments, a lot of good like ratio, right? So people are liking it, right? Again, couple of short videos, and then I shared another result oriented video, which was a case study video. So here I revealed one of my campaigns that I did in the past, and it's super helpful. So if you want, you can go and take a look at it. It's actually 7,000 views right now. Okay, so I've been getting a lot of traffic. So these are my social proof that says the product works. Now, apart from YouTube, I also posted it on my Facebook, right, where I had some good amount of quote unquote friends who actually are targeted people who are looking for opportunities to make money online or do online business some sort, right? So let me just real quick open Facebook real quick. Okay, so that you can see what I'm doing here. So if I just click on here and go to my profile, you can see these are the posts that I do, that I promote my videos. So I create a post here, then I send them to my YouTube videos here from Facebook. Okay, so these are all people who are commenting, 78 comments. That's pretty great, right? So these are all people who are looking to make money online, looking for opportunities, right? And I'm presenting them an opportunity here without actually being direct about it, right? So I'm just showing my social proof. That's about it, right? If they have any questions, if they want any answers, they simply comment. I simply answer it there, or I PM them, I send a message to them, and take the conversation, right? You can see all the stats here where people ask me about it, right? Sent you a DM, made this guy just replied, right? So conversation builds up and I can actually sell this product to this guy and a lot of people who actually start a conversation with me, right? You can see all the stats that I'm sharing it, right? It took a little while to grow this Facebook account to about 2,700 targeted friends, right, who are looking to make money online. So it might take a little while to build up an audience, but you get the point. But YouTube is a different case. You can actually upload, do a little bit as you think, upload a little bit content, 10-20 videos, and you will start receiving traffic. All right. So as a result, a lot of traffic came in. Now doing this simply, right, doing this couple of steps, documenting and sharing it actually brought me good amount of sales. Okay. But there is an important step that really maximizes those sales and make a ton of money. Okay, and that is step number 3, help. Yes, give your help as a bonus for these people, right? Offer help and support once they purchase things from you. Very, very simple. Even if they don't purchase anything, answer their questions, just help them if you can, and in future they might just buy a product or two from you, right? It is really common for marketers, quote unquote, to leave people hanging after they sell something, or a lot of them just straight up promote garbage, right? 90% or 95% products, right? If I go to offers here, 90 to 95% of these training softwares, whatever that is in here, or in ClickBank, or in other networks, are garbage. Okay, so if you see here, this Refuel AI, Vision AI, I think here, a lot of programs here are simply garbage. So it is extremely important that you promote something actual good, so that people will appreciate you for recommending that thing, that software, training, whatever, to them. So why did this made me so many sales, right? Number one, the program worked, as I myself was getting results, right, and still is, and was sharing it everywhere, everyone, on YouTube, on Facebook in this case, right? And I actually help people. So I help people with emails, right, with Messenger, and in some cases WhatsApp as well. I share custom videos to help them, right, if they have any problem, or even jump on a call if someone is having trouble, implementing a training. It really helps. It builds your repertoire. It builds your authority, right? So all in all, what did I do? I documented my journey. Again, I shared my results, right? YouTube and Facebook in this case, and I added my affiliate links on the description. So if you go into the description, you can see my affiliate link to this program, Super Affiliate Sniper, right here. Okay, if you see on Facebook, they comment, I talk with them, and then I give them my affiliate link. All right, if you see the stats, you can see the tracking. It's a tracking code. These are all the same product, by the way. All right, so these are all different tracking. I like to track things. So this is directly from this Google Doc. People clicked on the affiliate link from the Google Doc and purchased. I made 3,700 there. From YouTube directly, people clicked affiliate link directly from YouTube. I made about $2,200 there, right? And this is FB doc. So I created a separate doc, just copy pasted a doc, and just whenever I was talking with people, I gave them that document if they wanted to check my journey. And so that I know that if they purchase things, I know that they come from this Facebook. Okay, and these are some from emails, some from direct chat, so that I can track things. And doing this resulted me in making over $8,000. If you want, I will leave this Google Doc link just for you to see. You can check my last couple of videos to see my result oriented videos. Okay, if you want, you can just replicate it with any program, any niche, any strategy, right? Put the work in, try out the program you have, document it, start documenting it, and even if you fail doing so, just do it. All right, people will actually appreciate you for being real with them, which is so rare nowadays. You may ask, what's the use of documenting a failed effort? Who wants to see? Well, you can actually monetize that as well. All right, so if you want to see, for example, let me just go and check a video right here. So for example, this one, right, AI Video Pro. So this is a software that's been launched on Warriorplus or JVZoo, whatever that, I don't remember that, but I gave a negative review for this product right here. Now there were marketers who are actually singing praises about the software, but I can smell BS from a mile away, right? I logged in to the software, I checked what's up, and it was a disaster, right? I told people, don't get it, save your money, right? And then instead, if you really want to make that passive income, go here, right? Which is an actually good product. So people will appreciate you for being honest, which is so rare nowadays, right? And then they'll be like, this guy is genuine, this guy makes sense, right? Let's check his stuff out, right? Let's check his more videos, let's check what's he recommending, right? They click that, they are already buying more because they are searching for a review, right? They just want a review before they confirm their purchasing decision. But you can just redirect it to other link and make money that way. You are being honest, right? Ethical, and you're making money. You can grow your email list, give genuine suggestions, genuine advice to them, right? If you do this, you will be building out a loyal fan base out of them, right? It's a conversation for another day though, right? This video is not about that, right? If you want, let me know if you want a video on this. I will create it. Just comment down, and if enough comments are there, I will make that video. Okay, now if a product is successful, suppose that video or that software was successful for you, share your results and share that affiliate link, and you're definitely going to make sales. All right, I'm not saying that try out one thing and just create one video. Okay, go and create 4 to 5 videos, depending on how much effort you are investing on that product, right? How much you're trying that product out seriously. Okay, don't jump from one thing to another before trying it out seriously, right? You are going to make content on the side, and you're going to share it with people, documenting stuff. I hope this makes sense. Hope you're subscribed to this channel, because more valuable videos just like this are coming up. I hope this is valuable. Well, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, share, and if any questions, comment down below. I will answer each and every questions on this comment section. Okay, and now you can watch the video that you see on the screen right about now.